Hello and welcome to the first video of the Savvy Man Reviews channel. This channel will be dedicated to saving you money. The first video is about, instead of buying a new laptop, you may wish to upgrade your current laptop with an SSD drive like this one here. You should upgrade to an SSD or go for an entirely new laptop if your old one's performance is causing you issues. To do that, I'll be showing you what the differences in performance times are between my current HDD drive and the SSD from Samsung. Now you can buy this directly from Amazon. If you just check the link up on your screen now, you'll be able to buy it directly, but I'll leave it there for the duration of this video. The drive itself has 5-star reviews on Amazon, about 87% rated 5-star. I've got the 250GB version. It comes in a box like this. So the SSD drive from Samsung is around about £79–80. Inside the box you have an installation CD. If you don't have the CD, I presume you can download the software online. And in addition you get this pretty simple actually instruction manual which has 6 steps on how to install it in your laptop. What it doesn't come with is it doesn't come with a USB 3 to SATA cable here. So you will need to buy one of these, and again I'll put a link up on the screen now for you to buy that. What I'm planning to do is to connect these two up like so to transfer all the files off my HDD into the SSD. I'll show you that at the end of the video. So why should you buy a Samsung SSD? Well, it claims to breathe life into your new PC or laptop. You get faster startup and shutdown times. It's quieter because there's no mechanical parts. It should have quicker application loading and you should be able to multitask. And it's also worth mentioning that you can get up to 4TB SSD. I think I'll only need the 250GB SSD. You can get a 120GB SSD, which is even cheaper, around the £40–50 mark with other brands. Most laptops takes the 2.5-inch SSD, but I'll be showing you a demo of how to do this later. Sometimes there is cradles shown on Amazon to hold this. I don't think I'll need it. I'm going to try it today with a standard old laptop. If it doesn't fit in your PC, then you may have to go get a cradle to slot it in and to stop it wiggling around in your PC or laptop. Right, so the SSD has been put in successfully, and I just said I'd put the numbers up on the screen. If you compare those numbers up on the screen currently, you'll see that the biggest improvements are in the startup and shutdown times. So shutdown with the SSD took 10 seconds, with the HDD it took 25 seconds, startup times 27 seconds with the new SSD. And under the old one it was 48 seconds, so you're saving time there. Word and opening files like Word and PowerPoint has gone down from 5 to 6 seconds down to 1 to 2 seconds. So you're saving a fair amount of time. If you're using everyday use, you're not looking at a loading screen for as often. Generally I'm finding the computer much faster to use. It is a bit quieter as well, and I look forward to testing it further. So if you like the Samsung SD drive shown today, then you can buy it for £79 from the Amazon website shown above. Good luck with your repairs. So here we have the installation disk going in the CD drive. So the first step is to click start when Samsung data migration has downloaded. So the first thing it asks to do is to connect a Samsung SSD. So I'm just going to do that now. So I'll take my USB 3 to SATA cable, my SSD. I haven't done this before, so I will just try it now. That actually connected really well. Obviously USB drive goes into the side of your laptop or PC. There we go. And a little blue light's appeared on my connector. Right, so now I'm just going to click start to begin the transfer. Right, so that's taken half an hour to transfer the HDD files over to the SSD drive. So it's just come up on the screen here saying that the data on the source disk has been successfully cloned. So I'm just going to close that now, and then it gives me an option to shut down. So I'll just do that now. So we're on step 5 of the Samsung instructions now, having transferred the drive over. First of all, what I'm going to do is simply put the SSD in the back of the laptop. So to do that, I've just taken out all the connections. First of all, you need to take out, I'll have to take out all of these screws here to get access to the HDD drive, which is behind here. So you just need to find a suitable screwdriver. Right, so I found a little screwdriver here. When you take out the screws, it can be helpful to make a little map of the back of your laptop just to match which screws have come out of which slots. Right, so that's the back cover off. As you can see, this is the back of my laptop, and here is the hard drive here. So I've taken the battery out. It's probably a good idea actually, just to make sure there's no power running through the laptop. I'm just going to push the hard drive back from me and essentially just lift up. So the final step is simply to insert the hard drive. So it went in with this bit facing down, and it fits really snug actually and clips in nice. So I've just turned on my computer after installing the back panel there. And the good news is it's turned on within literally a couple of seconds. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Savvy Man Reviews. Thank you.